Hi, we're down here at our new house build. This is always an exciting and kind of stressful part of the project because you don't know what the ground's going to give you. So we're looking forward to opening up the ground and see what this project has to offer. Hey, so we're down here at Aikenhead today. We are starting framing. We got the foundation done and most of the backfill, and we're excited to continue on this project and move it into the future. We're excited for the homeowners to be able to take possession when that happens, and thank you everybody for following along, and we look forward to sharing with you more about Aikenhead. Hi, we're at Aikenhead today.